This is a very neat and compact piece of campaign equipment, travelling equipment, probably used by an army officer, made of mahogany and from the late 19th century. So, what is it? Well, we can see that there's a little brass push button here, sprung catch. And if we look at the edge, we can also see that it unfolds and it all is made rather neatly. So you can see how all of these different sections fold into each other very neatly to become a very compact case. Well, that also has the benefit of protecting the contents. So let's open it up and show you exactly what it is. We've also got this brass hanging hook to the top, quite nicely shaped. So let's press the brass button, release it, and we see that we have got a campaign mirror. But it's not just an ordinary campaign mirror. It actually folds out to become what we would term a three-fold mirror. So you'd set it up higher, you can use it like a dressing mirror, you can see all sides when you're using it. But it's also got a fourth mirror, and this is a magnifying glass, and so that typically would be used for shaving. So you could set it up like that, and you could use that round magnifying glass to shave, make sure that you're nice and neat for parade. And it's made in a similar way to many campaign mirrors, in that the glass is held in by stringing. And this is fairly typical even on the single folding oval mirrors and square mirrors that you get. But you've got three lines of stringing here, a piece of ebony sandwiched by two pieces of boxwood, which are glued together, and they hold the mirror in place. Then we've got nice piano type hinges to each section, and they make it, of course, nice and strong for use. Now, I think this glass has been replaced at some stage. The others have got some foxing and wear to them. That doesn't bother me too much. It might upset some people, but I think it's still a very perfectly usable mirror. And again, I mean, going back to how neatly it folds, you can see this rounded edge here and how it fits very neatly into the rounded edge of the outer case mirror, and then the top also closes down on it to give you very neat, compact little package. Now, we've had one or two of these mirrors before, but they don't turn up that often, and sometimes you only get them with three glasses without the magnifying glass, and sometimes you get them octagonal in shape, which is rather nice. So there's a little bit of variation in them. Rectangular like this, octagonal with four mirrors, with three mirrors. And still a very useful bit of kit, whether you're travelling or you're using it home. And of course you could also hang it on this hook. So, made of mahogany, late 19th century in date, just a really good, clever design, very neat and tidy the way it all packs up, and a campaign mirror.